It's time to peel off the film. You can see how different it looks because of all the overspray. Wow, look at that. I did have one little problem here, unfortunately, but you know what? It's okay. I think it looks pretty good. Time to get the masking off. Alright, it's time to get the wood paneling on. Thankfully, this wood paneling is going to cover up some of the blemishes from my paint job, so that might actually end up being a blessing. Not too shabby. Now it's time for some pinstriping. Alright, the pinstriping is complete. I kind of wish I'd chosen a lighter color, but I'm satisfied with it, I think. Alright, decals are applied. I did mess up here. The trim is flipped. That was a goof on my part. Got pinstriping around the edges of the wood paneling. Again, it's not as light as I'd like it to be, but I think it's decent. So yeah, moving along. We got my first layer of silicone down. Now we're just going to let this sit overnight and hope that everything stays together. Our driver has been installed. And the back almost goes all the way to the back there. There's a little bit of a gap right there, but I reinforced it extra. Once I let this set overnight, I came back out and I ran some more silicone around all the edges. And right now it's pretty sturdy. I may do a little more just to be sure. Because, I mean, once this is all in there, I don't want to have to do it again. So, do it once. Do it once right, instead of do it twice sloppy, you know. I'll try to get as sturdy as I can. The next will be fitting the magnet body mounts onto this thing. Alright, it is time for the wheels. What we got here are a set of Proline Aztecs and a Predator compound. What was supposed to be some rose gold wheels, but they look more like copper, to be honest. And of course we have the Enduro silicone inserts. I've never used these, I've only ever used foam, so we'll see how these go. Alright, here they are, ready to go, ready to put in. Time to swap these guys out. There's the wheels. That sits pretty high. We're going to have to lower that a bit. It's comically high. Alright, I fitted my magnet adapters. You basically have a little contraption that fits into where the body clip goes to give you this little magnet. I've also put some 3M double-sided adhesive on one side of this magnet so that I can adhere it to the body. That's the plan, at least. Let's hope it works like I want it to. And we were successful. I peeled off the adhesive and carefully set the body where I wanted it to, and in turn attached the magnets exactly where they need to be. So let's see what it looks like. Alright, there we go. Body's unsecure. I'm going to take this out and let's see how it does in the trail with these upgrades. So, I know I said I was going to lower the body mounts, but as I was about to do that, I realized just how high this suspension travel is, and I realized I was going to be hitting this body pretty hard. So I'm just going to leave it really high and see, hopefully it doesn't tip over too much, but we'll see here in a second.